Outlaw Speedway. A little mix-up from our usual. Utica ran on Thursday, and with last week's wreck, we needed an extra day to get the car all situated, so we decided to come here at Outlaw Speedway since we are running the Short Track Super Series race next Thursday. So just a little shakedown, test the car out for next week and see if we got everything that needed to be fixed from last week. It is a hot one, if you cannot tell, but we are here and we're ready to go racing, so stay tuned. Just finished up hot laps. I thought it looked pretty good. It was starting to rain when we were going out there, and they were trying to pack the track and then decided not to because it was raining, so they just let them go. But like I said, I think it looks good. We'll definitely be starting deep in the heat races because they're doing handicapping here and we don't run here weekly, so we'll be starting deep. But I think we'll push through.
What do you want?
Our little sliver of hope on our rain delay.
It's turning the whole way. It's only if I kind of roll into one a little bit, then it.
Just listening to some of them guys, and some of them sounds like they're flat-footed right down the back stretch into the corner. But that's hot laps. I mean, you can't do that. I mean, there's times that you can do it in a feature, but
Yeah.
probably not with somebody sitting right alongside you.
Alrighty, what does the rain look like?
Clear. Till midnight.
Solid.
Running the bottom hole to get the most steer out of it. You can see things. So, I don't know, it'll take a little bit out of it. You're not snug, so I'll put, right now
Track's gonna have light now.
right now I put 2 turns in it to get it back to 9, so I might add one more to it. By taking the steer out of the left-hand side, it's going to eliminate this tire from being able to come back. It's the amount of rear steer that's bringing that back into that. You're still going to end up with your plenty of rear steer. It's just not starting out with a half-inch of rear steer before you even roll the car over. Is that better?
I'll hold on to it. We're up there watching the race. She's videotaping me now because I got the mic on.
Yeah, you're the lucky duck there.
What a weird race day. So we just went out. We've been on rain day since rain delay since like 7:30, and it is now 9:30, I think. And we just went out to pack the track, and Brandon gets out of the car and says, "We're only running features. Like, we're not going to be running any heats or anything." They're gonna do fireworks and then straight into features, so that means that we will be starting probably dead last. Who knows? Very odd. Very, very odd, but we'll see what happens. What do you think of just running a feature?
Depends on what the track looks like. After a few laps, see what it does. If it's too fucking greasy, then I pull off. There's no sense just putting enough money in the car.
Brandon?
What you said.
I'm still waiting for 15, but
Money bags ain't going out.
this ought to be fun. Pretty much dead last. before that, and I forgot to film, but we are in 14th out of 15 cars now, so I don't know. Lap 7, another caution. Well, we found out the brakes are working because we would have had another destroyed car, but I don't know. We're only moving forward because cars are leaving, so I still don't know.
cars when we were getting closer to 10.
Yeah. It looked good. I mean, there was a couple times it would hit.
Oh yeah, over here it would
And then
bounce the nose.
I think we gotta go. Yeah, put some more left rear in it. See what happens. But coming
It's
out
too
of
sideways coming out of the turn.
4.
It won't straighten out.
Right.
Go up and kick sideways, and I run right into the back of the one.
Yeah. So like, holy crap! You have to change his pants.
I stayed back. I stayed back like 2 cars on every start because they were bouncing off each other.
Yeah.
You look good out there tonight, though.
You did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We haven't seen that. Haven't seen that yet, but it's a pretty good surface too. Other than a little choppy here and there, but coming out of 4, but then it would hook and go. Johnson would slide out past that, catch that ground, and then he would diamond it off on 1 and 2. Each track's got their fastest line, and you gotta learn.
How could it's like wet right around the bottom.
Right.
But I hit it a couple times and it was.
And you got that fucking wall. It's like
Yeah.
you're down to, what is it? Not Grandview. Which one? Not New Eden. One of them's got the concrete wall on the inside. And that's how this is.
Yeah.
With the mud berm there. So you can't pop the ute.
The only one I was getting close to was out of 2
Right, yeah.
because I can go in a little higher and come out
Right.
low.
Car looked like it worked good on the bottom.
Just when it come out of the corner and through the center, it was just sideways the whole time. It wasn't like I am still like full throttle. I mean, not full. I'm still on the gas, so it's not like spinning out, but it's just holding it sideways. And then coming out, it's still sideways. And then straight away, it'll go straight again.
Alrighty, Mr. Smooth, give me a little recap.
We kind of stayed back in the beginning just to not get caught up in anyone else's stuff, not being there all year or anything. And slowly, cars were pulling off, so we slowly gained there, and we didn't pass a whole lot, but
I think it was 1 car. You passed 1 car.
yeah, we're gonna do some adjustments this week, and hopefully it'll be better for Thursday's race.
What'd you think of the car after the 2-hour rain delay and no heat races and having to start pretty much dead last?
I mean, it was pretty good for not getting the heat race and only having 2 or 3 laps on it there in hot laps.
Oh yeah, because that was the new car. We took the old car last year.
Yeah, we've never had that car there.
All set?
Yep.
Alrighty. So, guys, be sure to check out last week's video and stay tuned for next week. We are heading back to Outlaw on Thursday for the Short Track Super Series race, and then Friday is our normal show at Utica Rome. So stay tuned for those, and we'll see you guys later.